The early morning sun glinted off the calm waters of Manila Bay, casting golden reflections across the hulls of Philippine Navy ships as they quietly prepared for a day that would mark a turning point in the nation's maritime history. The BRP Jose Rizal, the pride of the fleet, was at the center of it all, her crew moving with purpose, aware that they were about to participate in a moment that would redefine Philippine naval power and set a new standard for the region. On deck, sailors gazed skyward as a sleek, locally built drone hovered in the distance. This was no ordinary drill. Today, every action was a step into the future, a demonstration of what Filipino ingenuity could achieve. Suddenly, a crisp voice crackled over the comms. "Target locked, weapon system armed, commence live fire test." The tension was palpable as the crew braced for what was to come. Silence hung in the air, then a missile roared to life, streaking skyward, a testament to years of Filipino innovation, engineering, and relentless pursuit of self-reliance. But the true breakthrough wasn't just the missile itself, it was the invisible web of technology behind it, a homegrown network, designed and built by Filipino minds, that made this moment possible. A Filipino-developed UAV, flying high above the waves, detected the target with precision, relaying vital information back to the ship in real time. On board, a locally developed combat management system processed the incoming data, analyzing threats and coordinating the response with remarkable speed and accuracy. All of this was made possible by a secure, indigenous network built from the ground up in the Philippines that relayed commands seamlessly across the fleet, ensuring every link in the chain was strong and reliable. Every link in the kill chain from detection to destruction was Filipino-made, a powerful statement of national capability and pride. The explosion on the horizon was more than just a successful hit. It was a declaration to the world. The Philippines could now defend its waters with technology crafted by its own people. Cheers erupted on deck, echoing the pride of a nation. For decades, the Navy had depended on foreign suppliers, often facing frustrating delays, mismatched equipment, and systems that didn't quite fit the unique needs of the archipelago. Today's successful test proved that era was coming to a close. The Philippines was stepping confidently into a new age of self-reliance and technological independence. The Self-Reliant Defense Posture, or SRDP, was no longer just a policy on paper. It had become a living reality, shifting the nation's role from consumer to creator and inspiring a new generation of Filipino innovators. The world had witnessed the opening of a new chapter, one where the Philippines builds its own strength, powered by Filipino skill, determination, and a vision for a secure future. The ripples from this morning's success would not only shape the nation's security for decades to come, but also inspire pride and confidence in every Filipino, knowing that their country could stand strong on its own. The Self-Reliant Defense Posture, or SRDP, stands at the very heart of the Philippines' new defense identity, a bold and visionary initiative that signals a turning point in our nation's approach to security. It's a decisive move to break free from decades of dependence on foreign military technology and to chart our own course in safeguarding our nation. The SRDP's mission is clear: to develop, design, and produce defense equipment right here at home, ensuring that the armed forces have the tools they need exactly when they need them, without waiting for foreign suppliers. This effort isn't just about saving money or cutting costs. It's fundamentally about protecting our sovereignty and asserting our independence on the world stage. By building our own defense systems, we gain control over our security, reduce our vulnerability to foreign supply chain disruptions, and ensure that our military remains ready and resilient. The SRDP's goals are ambitious yet vital: to equip our forces for the unique challenges of our archipelago, from advanced maritime surveillance to robust coastal defense, and to adapt quickly to emerging threats. At the same time, it aims to ignite economic growth by creating high-tech jobs for Filipino engineers, scientists, and skilled workers, nurturing a new generation of innovators. Instead of sending billions of pesos abroad, we invest in our own people, our own talent, and our own industries, building a foundation for long-term prosperity. This virtuous cycle strengthens both our military and our economy, creating pride and opportunity for generations to come. Ultimately, the SRDP is about standing on our own feet, mastering technology, building resilience, and shaping our own destiny as a nation that can defend itself. We become creators, not just consumers, taking charge of our future and inspiring confidence in our people. The SRDP is more than a policy, it's a blueprint for a safer, more independent, and more empowered Philippines. The SRDP's success is built on collaboration, a triple helix of government, academia, and industry. This unique partnership brings together the strengths of each sector, creating a powerful synergy that drives progress and innovation in national defense. The Department of National Defense and the Navy set the mission and provide funding, ensuring that the country's security priorities are always at the forefront. Their leadership guides the direction of research and development, aligning efforts with the nation's strategic needs. Universities and research centers like UP and Mapua drive innovation in AI, robotics, and secure communications. These institutions serve as incubators for new ideas, where cutting-edge research is transformed into practical solutions for defense. Professors and students tackle real-world defense challenges, building the next generation of Filipino engineers. Through hands-on projects and mentorship, they gain experience that prepares them to contribute directly to the nation's security. Private industry, tech startups, and manufacturers turn ideas into battlefield-ready products. They bridge the gap between research and real-world application, ensuring that innovations reach the front lines where they're needed most. These companies aren't just contractors, they're partners, investing and innovating alongside the military and academia. Their commitment to collaboration accelerates the pace of technological advancement and strengthens the entire defense ecosystem. The military's needs drive research, which fuels product development, which then equips the military, creating a cycle of constant improvement. This feedback loop ensures that every new technology is tested, refined, and adapted to meet evolving threats. This model ensures technology is relevant, effective, and sustainable. By working together, all partners can quickly respond to new challenges and keep the Philippines' defense capabilities up to date. The Triple Helix doesn't just build weapons, it builds a national innovation ecosystem. It fosters a culture of creativity, problem-solving, and resilience that benefits the entire country, not just the military. The SRDP's collaborative approach is the foundation for a self-reliant, evolving defense capability. By nurturing local talent and industry, the Philippines is reducing dependence on foreign suppliers and building its own expertise. It's how the Philippines is building a future-proof security base, one that can adapt, grow, and protect the nation for generations to come. Project Buhawi, Whirlwind, is the Philippines' first locally made unmanned aerial vehicle for maritime surveillance. More than a drone, Buhawi is a persistent eye in the sky, giving the Navy real-time intelligence without risking pilots. Its vertical takeoff and landing lets it operate from ships or remote islands, perfect for an archipelago. High-res cameras and secure local data links provide instant, actionable information to commanders. With Buhawi, a single ship can monitor hundreds of square kilometers, tracking illegal fishing, smuggling, and maritime threats. The project has driven advances in aerodynamics, avionics, and software, building local expertise. Buhawi is proof of Filipino ingenuity, helping the Navy watch over our seas independently. It's a sentinel, made in the Philippines for the Philippines. In today's naval battles, code is as crucial as cannons. The SRDP's Project Protect delivers a locally developed combat management system, the digital brain of a warship. It fuses sensors and weapons, giving commanders a real-time tactical picture and rapid decision-making power. Homegrown software means no foreign backdoors, and systems can be tailored to the Navy's evolving needs. Project Shield complements this with electronic warfare detecting, jamming, and deceiving enemy missiles. Locally built radar support and jamming systems create an electronic shield around our ships. Together, these projects give the Navy secure, adaptable digital armor. Filipino sailors can trust their systems, reliable, secure, and under national control. This is the digital fortress of a self-reliant Navy. A modern Navy's strength lies in coordination. Enter Project Danis and C4 Adjudicator Riptide. Danis is a smart, unified map, fusing data from ships, drones, radars, and satellites for total maritime awareness. Commanders can track threats, spot anomalies, and respond instantly across the archipelago. C4AR is the secure network connecting every unit from frigates to marines, enabling real-time communication and network-centric warfare. Information flows seamlessly, allowing for rapid coordinated action. One ship's radar can guide another's missile. These systems turn individual platforms into a cohesive, lethal force. Danis and C4AR are the strategic brains and nervous system of the fleet. The Philippine Navy can now see, decide, and act as one. The SRDP is more than military hardware. It's a catalyst for a high-tech Philippine industry. Every project, from drones to digital systems, creates demand for local parts, electronics, and software. Small shops and tech firms are now building components once imported, gaining expertise in advanced fields. This defense dividend revitalizes manufacturing and sparks technology transfer, skills learned for defense fuel civilian innovation. The government's commitment to buying local drives private investment and competition. Industrial clusters are forming around naval bases and universities, accelerating regional growth. Meeting military standards raises quality across all sectors. The SRDP proves that investing in defense is also investing in the nation's economic future. It's building a stronger military and a more dynamic, self-sufficient industry. The SRDP's deepest impact is in Filipino hearts and minds. For generations, we believed the best tech came from abroad. Now, Filipino-made drones and systems inspire national pride. High-quality jobs and advanced skills are keeping our best talent at home, reversing the brain drain. Universities are strengthening STEM programs, aligning education with real-world defense needs. Students work on projects that matter, giving their studies purpose and direction. The SRDP weaves self-reliance into our national identity, empowering every Filipino to believe in our potential. It's a story of taking control of our destiny through knowledge and hard work. This rising pride and confidence is the SRDP's most enduring legacy. It unites us in building a stronger, safer, and more sovereign Philippines. The Manila Bay tests were just the beginning, a new course toward true self-reliance in defense. The SRDP is a long-term commitment, a security architecture designed, built, and maintained by Filipinos. Challenges remain, but the foundation is set and momentum is growing. The next wave: AI, advanced materials, and sovereign satellites, pushing the boundaries of Filipino innovation. The triple helix of government, academia, and industry will keep evolving, driving perpetual progress. The goal isn't just to catch up, but to lead in defense tech suited to our unique environment. In a world of shifting alliances, self-reliance is our ultimate guarantee of sovereignty. The SRDP is forging a shield from Filipino intellect and spirit, not imported steel. The future is being written now, in labs, factories, and command centers across the nation. The Philippines is determined to secure its future with skill, pride, and patriotism.